Hello Natural Divas, this is the Naturally Mature One, aka Dell, coming to you with a new video. First I want to say thank you all for your likes, your comments, and your shares, and also for subscribing to my channel. Today is going to be a short video. This video is to do my first unboxing. Well, not really my first unboxing, because I did last week, I think, doing my makeup review, I did a unboxing of Minted Cosmetic. Yes, but this is my first curl box. I finally got my curl box. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna put it out there. It is hard to get a curl box. You have to wait till you get an email. You have to sign up for it first, then wait till you get an email to see if you can get on the subscription list. And then after waiting for a while, you got to play around on the computer to get on the freaking subscription list. But I finally got it. I got it. And this is my first box. This is the, must be the, let me see. I don't know. I have to find out, but I don't know if it's the October. It's October. Yeah, October 15th. Because today is October the 16th. So this is my first box. I open it up. This is what I got. There's the curl box. And then there's some sitting on top. It's a Cantu long bristle, more reach, smooth, thick hair edge brush. So it's an edge brush. Something I can use. My little edges. I can use it. So that's one item. Let's get it out of the box. It's a pretty pink box. Love pink. Pink's my favorite color. One of my favorite colors. I got on my pink tennis shoes right now. If you don't believe me, bam. Love it. But it's Pink October also. Remember, breast cancer awareness. Get your boobies checked. Go get the mammograms. So, here goes my first box, curl box. And this is for your edges. So, I didn't have one because, as y'all know, I was swooping with my toothbrush, but now I have me an edge brush, so let's see how that works. And this hairstyle I have right here now is a 4-day wash and go with Diva Curl products. So, and I did use a Camille Rose original ginger cleanser. But this is the Diva Curl products I have in my hair. And it's 4 days old and it's doing pretty good. I still have a lot of definition, volume is coming out of it, and it's soft, it's very soft. So for me to not keep on buying Diva Curl and doing other things since I'm doing these videos, I wanted to try the curl box to get more products, because going into a beauty supply store, it can be overwhelming at times and you just don't know what to choose and what to use. So doing this, I'm allowing Curlbox to pick my products for me, so I know what I will try every time I get it. So this one now is my first one. As I said, I got the edge thing for Cantu. They give you a little card, and it's called the Fashion Issue, and I'm loving the young lady's hair. Is cornrows with beads on the end, and inside it has some ideas and things they share with you. And then they also have a card if you on Instagram like do like a little shout out to Curlbox. You can, each month they pick a random winner of secret prizes if you tag us. So I will be tagging y'all on Instagram. So yeah, this little card is telling you about playing with prints. Anything global goes, about styles and simplicity and everything. So I'll read that after I open my box up. And the next thing on the back, they also have Curlbox Twitter chat, Tuesday, October 23rd from 3 p.m. to Eastern Standard Time, so you can tweet about what's going on about the products, I guess. So as I said, the first thing I got was the edge brush. I'm opening up. It comes, as I said, it comes like this. I'm opening up the tissue, and I see it's a one product line. So you know what it's going to be because I saw the brush. So the next thing I got was a sturdy lift pick which I need, because I let my print pick to my son, and you know how that is. When they tell them to bring something back, you don't get it. Okay, and then the next thing I got was the Easy Wrap Slide On Fashion Band. Oh, that's pretty. I love the color. How to use. Use as a headband or stretch over hair for instant wrap. What it is, a stretch band that adds extra style to your look. One size fit all. Oh, that's pretty. I love the color, the print. Oh, I'm gonna have to wear this. Yes, Diva's gonna wear this one. Oh, I'm ready to pop this one on my head now. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let me see if I can get this thing on. You know, I got this head. I was born with a lot of brains, as they say. I got a lot of brains in this head. Alright, it says one size fit all, so I'm going to take it around, put it on my neck. I'm putting the knot part that's right here in front. Let's see, let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I like this. I can wear it down like that. Wrap my hair up. Oh, yes. Yes, Diva. Put my little hoops on. I think I'll be looking cute. Cute. Yes. Yes. Okay, Cantu, I like this. And it's nice and soft. Ain't gonna put on my edges. Oh, yes. I'm gonna pull it up like this. Oh, yes, Diva. Go strut your stuff, Diva. So, yep, like that. Next thing we got in here is Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Curl Stretcher Cream Rinse. It's minimized shrinkage, humidity resistant, great for blow dries or ass dry styles. No mineral oils, no sulfates, parabens, silicones. Elongate strands for easy air dry or blow dry styles. And here's the bottle. It's 10 ounces. Yes, 10 ounces. And it's like a styling tip. Follow with Cantu Wave Whip or Coconut Curl Cream or Curl Activator for air dry styles. Okay, but it's called the Curl Stretch Cream Rinse. Okay, and the next thing they give you is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Style Stay Frizz Free Finisher. Weightless hold for curly or straight styles. Non-sticky, crunch-free, no white flakes. Humidity resistance. Okay, we'll try that. Guys, forgive me if my phone seems acting crazy because I got someone trying to call me while I'm trying to tape, so forgive that. But here we go, Cantu. And that is 5 full ounces. And okay, it sprays like a spray, an aerosol. Okay, try that. And the next thing we got in the bag so it won't spill out. Cantu Coconut Curling Cream for natural hair. No sulfate, silicone, parabens, or mineral oil. Defines, condition, and adds manageable, soft, elongated curls. Made with pure shea butter and formulated without harsh ingredients. Okay, here we go. And last but not least, oh, I'm breaking out, is the Edge Control by Shea Butter Stay Gel. And they said it is extra hold, if you can see that. I love Edge Control because I put my little edges down. So I am impressed with Curlbox. I have never bought Cantu products. I know there's one of the, you can buy them at Walgreens and Walmart and many drugstores, but hey, I've never tried them. And even if I bought these from the store, and I think at Cantu they usually run between $4 to $8 worth for products, it's really worth it. 5, 10, 15, that's $20 right here for the stuff, and then that's not including the stuff they gave you to use, like the band and the pick and the edge brush. So it's a good deal, I have to say. $20 plus $5 shipping. I got all of this stuff. I'm kind of happy, I'm pleased. So I'm gonna try this new product and hopefully do a review on it soon and let you know how I feel about Cantu products, because I've never bought Cantu. But thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking my videos. Any comments, any kind of styles you might want me to try with Cantu. Have you ever tried Cantu products, and what was the outcome for you? Please let me know in the comments how you feel about Cantu products. I would love to know, because this will be my first time trying it. So thank you again for picking my videos and reviewing it. And if you can, please subscribe, hit the like button so you know my next video comes up. And if you have any comments, please put them in my comments box down below. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.